Hello, this is Theodore at home. I wanted to share with you guys my little Tecsun Dr-920, and it doesn't have much for it other than it's portable, little antenna. It's AM FM with 10 bands of shortwave, does not pick up anything above 21 something megahertz. It does seem to be pretty sensitive, and there are drawbacks of being so sensitive that it sometimes gets out of band interference, and it's really difficult for city dwelling of because you get a lot of interference on the shortwave bands. But anyways, if you guys could help out there, I would love to take this little antenna or build a device that allow me to take the relatively high impedance of a field effect transistor and down convert it or downstep transformer impedance of to a coax like 50 ohm or 75 ohm that'll allow me to get a noise rejection device on the front end, so I could really take advantage of this fidelity. This thing sounds so good with the earbuds in. It's almost as good as having a home radio, but better because you can take it out on the road with you.